Once you try cluster lashes, you never go back. Hi besties, it's your girl Felicity here. If you're new here, I hope you stick around. Today I'll be showing you guys how I do my cluster lashes and achieve a cat eye look. Today I'll be using these cluster lashes. They're from Amazon. My friend actually put me onto this. They're really nice. They have like different volumes and different strengths, if you get what I mean. The glue I'm using, I bought this separately but still on Amazon. I will be linking everything that I used in this video. The glue comes with the bond side and the seal side. Bond side first, so that's what we're gonna start with. And you wanna apply this like you're applying mascara, from the end to the tip of your lashes. Take your time, don't rush this process. And once you feel like you've applied enough, you're gonna let that rest for a few seconds. I think it's about 60 seconds. In the meantime, think about how long you want your lashes to be. We'll be starting with 16 on the outer corner, 14, 12, and 10. Always go from high to low. You get what I mean? This is what the lash looks like. I'm starting with 16. I will be going in with another 16. That's what it's looking like right now. Take a 14. I'm actually not going anywhere. I was in the mood to look cute and feel cute, so I decided let me do my cluster lashes and let's do some makeup. The makeup tutorial will be in the next video though, so stay tuned. We're going in with another 14. Always line each of them next to each other. Right now we have 16, 16, 14, 14. Now we're gonna pick a 12 right there. I had to take out the middle one because it was a bit slanted and I needed to be straight. I had to take that out. This is the struggle of doing cluster lashes, y'all. It's actually a fight sometimes. Okay, I fixed it. Now it's as straight as I want it to be. Let's go back to what we were doing. We just applied the 12, so let's apply another 12. Once you get here, you're probably getting to the last bit of your lashes, and that's why we're going smaller and smaller. Now, a 10. And this is what it should look like right now. I'm gonna press them together. I was just trying to find the right shape of tweezer. This is the shape I use just because you can get through them and press them all. Now we're gonna use the seal bit. I apply it at the bottom. Not like mascara, just touch the bottom bit. Apply it on the inside of my tweezer. Press them really hard if you can, because the goal is to get the seal bit in the lashes so they last longer. Now I just use my fan to dry it. Once you think it's dry, you can brush it a little bit, very lightly. What do you guys think? I think it looks good. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do this side, and I'm gonna just let you guys watch it. Hey Google, Chill Baby by Caesar.
Chill Baby by Bar Lounge, Lounge Music Cafe.
Hey Google, play Chill Baby by SZA.
Chill Baby by SZA.
SZA. Oh, that's how she calls it. Chill baby, don't go away. Chill baby, don't go. If you're wondering why I got tape, is because I'm trying to TikTok hack and I'm recording for TikTok as well. From what I'm seeing, it does work because it stops you from blinking your eye and your eye will stay open, so it's easier to apply your cluster lashes onto them. So if you want to try this tip, go ahead and try it. So this is what we look like at the end. What do you guys think of these lashes? This is literally my favorite lash map to do. I hope this was helpful and I hope you guys can use it as well. I will be linking the lashes and the lash glue in my description box, so don't forget to check that. Check out my socials if you want to stick around. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys.